Hi, everyone. Welcome to RightSleep Sleep Chats. This is a series of short videos featuring RightSleep creator Dr. Stasha Gominak, answering some of our frequently asked questions, as well as some others you may not have thought of to ask. We'll tackle one question at a time to help you improve your sleep and ultimately improve your health. We've been asked a lot of questions that start with, will RightSleep help with blank? And then they include a condition that they have. So we're doing a series of sleep chats that address those questions. So Stasha, what does sleep have to do with eczema and psoriasis?
Hi, my name is Stasha Gominak. I am a retired neurologist and now I'm a sleep coach. And as Heather said, we're doing a series of short videos. This one is on some skin manifestations that are actually, oddly enough, related to sleep. Eczema and psoriasis are not the same. The actual cause of eczema is not known. I have my own belief system that's related to it that I'll mention to you in a minute. Psoriasis is felt to be an autoimmune disorder. I am also going to warn you, I am not a dermatologist. I am not specially trained in this area. However, I want to introduce some ideas to you that are not in common use yet. There are two things about the RightSleep program that have very direct and important effects on the skin. One is vitamin D, which is actually a hormone, not a vitamin, that is made on our skin when we're in the sun. And ironically, the dermatology departments over the last 20 years have actually used light therapy. So they've had specific bulbs that they would shine on your skin to help with psoriasis. And unfortunately, as we've been taught to go inside and stay out of the sun and been told incorrectly that the sun exposure is bad for us, the incidence of these type of skin disorders has gone up. So psoriasis can be treated with multiple immune suppressant medications, but it can also be treated by doing some of the processes that will also improve your sleep. It's not that the only thing behind psoriasis is a sleep disorder. It's that you will also have a sleep disorder if you have psoriasis. Whether you realize it or not, there are shared processes that help you sleep and help your skin repair. And there's also an intersection between the vitamin D's direct effects on the skin and psoriasis, as well as vitamin D's effect on the microbiome or the bacteria that live in our intestine and the production of various chemicals called metabolites that the microbiome makes that affect our immune system as well. That means bringing back your normal microbiome. And I believe that if you have psoriasis, you do not have a normal microbiome. Bringing back your normal microbiome and bringing your sleep back to normal are two treatments that you can do in addition to whatever your dermatologist is doing for you. The second disorder, eczema, is a disorder that is as yet unexplained. And I believe it probably has its origin in not being appropriately exposed to the sun. And I say that because there is current research that shows that when we're exposed to the sun, there are multiple forms of vitamin D that are created, and some of them have local actions on the skin itself. And those local actions help with replacing the top layer of the skin on a constant, regular basis, not having a inappropriate inflammation, having normal healing of the skin. So this concept that being out in the sun is bad for us is incorrect. It is bad for us to burn our skin, but it is not bad for us to be in the sun. So we do have to learn what sort of skin type we have, whether we can tan, etc. I've had a couple of clients who have done the RightSleep program and had partial success with their eczema and really only had complete success when they started to spend much more time out in the sun. Not surprisingly, a couple of them were living in Germany and in Great Britain, places that you really don't get much sunlight.
I think that's fascinating. I'm not familiar with psoriasis, but I have experience with eczema, and I think that is fascinating. If we just go outside more. We can heal a lot. All right. Well, thank you, Stasha, and thank you everyone for joining us. Please subscribe to the channel, then like and share our videos. You can find more information as well as the Right Sleep program at drgominak.com. Remember, we see our doctor once a year because we heal our bodies every night. Until the next sleep chat, sleep well. Bye-bye.